go. Hey, what's up? So, tonight we're going to do the Raining in Manila with a twist cover. Good luck, and I hope I can do it. Fighting! Babalik. Maulan ba? Maulan ba sa inyo pag bumubuhos dito? Right now, I'm reviewing the lyrics kasi hindi ko masyadong kabisado yung song. Wait, sobrang kita pala yung kamay ko dun sa previous video. So what I'm saying is that I'm reviewing the lyrics kasi medyo nalito ako dun sa lyrics niya, especially sa chorus. Kasi dun pala in the first chorus, it's going to be different from the second one. So medyo nakakalito siya. Kamusta ka na kahit wag nang sagutin? Di ba na wala? Di ba na wala? Kintob ng biruin. Di ba na walang kintob ng biruin? Sana ganun ka nga pa rin. So time check, it's 3:36. Tama ba? All-nighter na naman. Yeah, I guess. Pero malapit na ako yata may God dito. Yeah, I kanta. I'm kinda nervous. Kasi nga, I am recording now without PJ. So, medyo nakakakaba kasi wala yung leader namin. But yeah. Cause it's been raining, Las Piñas, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Mahirap ang mag-isang nanginginig. And it's been raining, Las Piñas, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Hey, what's up? Recording done. I hope you enjoy the song. I hope you enjoy my cover. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for everything. Thank you for the love. And yeah, I hope you like it.